Hi, in this video I will show you how to log in to multiple TikTok accounts and switch between them. So TikTok give you a feature to log in with your different accounts on the TikTok, and you can also switch them without entering the password or the email again and again. Both accounts will be login on the TikTok, so you have to only switch between them. So let's start the procedure. Watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the profile from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, your profile is here. Also you will see your name on the middle top, so you have to tap on it. And once you will tap on it, you will see switch account option here. And first of all, I will tell you how you can add account in the TikTok. So right now I have login with one account. Now I will add another account. Here simply I click on the add account, and here you will see multiple options appear here. So if you want to sign up, you can go for continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or the continue with Twitter. But if you have the account already, second account, you can simply click on the login and click on the use phone, email, or the username. Tap on it. Now you can simply enter the phone number, or you can select email or the username. Here you have to enter the email or the username and then password, and then you have to click on the login. Once you will click on the login, after entering the credentials, you will see two of your accounts will be added on your TikTok application. After that, you have to again click on the profile and you have to click on the name in the middle. Once you will tap on it, you will see a new account will added here. Just below here, you have to click the one account you want to use, and in this way you can switch between the account. So this is the way to add and the switch accounts on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.